In 18 months, 3 major AI labs believe they will build a machine smarter than any human alive. That machine has a name. They call it AGI. And for the first time ever, the people building it think the deadline is real. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. Not a chatbot. Not a search engine. A machine that can think, reason, and learn across every domain humans can. Science. Medicine. Law. War. Everything. 2 years ago, most researchers thought AGI was 20 to 50 years away. Then the models started arriving faster than anyone predicted. The timeline collapsed almost overnight. GPT-3 shocked the world in 2020. 4 years later, the models built on it made GPT-3 look primitive. Sam Altman stated in 2025 that AGI could arrive within years, not decades. He called it perhaps the most transformative technology in human history. OpenAI's internal roadmap reportedly targets human-level AI by 2026 or 2027. They're not guessing. They're engineering toward a specific date. Demis Hassabis at Google DeepMind gave the same warning. He said AGI could arrive within a few years, possibly sooner than expected. DeepMind's AlphaFold already solved a 50-year protein biology problem in under a year. Their new models score above PhD level on science benchmarks. These aren't experiments. They are proof points on a trajectory. Anthropic, founded by former OpenAI researchers, calls itself safety-focused. But even they believe transformative AI is coming fast. Their own reports describe scenarios involving human-level AI within this decade. They are simultaneously building it and warning us about it. That contradiction should tell you everything. Here is what the raw data shows. In 2022, AI models failed basic reasoning tasks a college student could solve. By 2024, those same systems outperformed 90% of humans on standardized tests. In 2025, AI began solving novel math problems, ones with no known human solutions. Every benchmark that falls moves AGI closer to reality. We are not building toward it. We are already inside the transition. So what actually happens when AGI arrives? The first change is scientific. Research that took humans 10 years will take weeks. Drug discovery. Climate modeling. Materials science, all accelerated beyond recognition. The second change is economic. An AGI doesn't need a salary. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't ask for a raise. Goldman Sachs estimates AI could automate 300 million jobs globally. But AGI isn't just automation. It's a force multiplier on everything humans do. Every industry on Earth will be disrupted, not over decades, but over years. The risks are as large as the rewards. An AGI optimizing for the wrong goal could be catastrophic. Not because it's evil. Because it's precise. A machine ordered to maximize efficiency might find solutions humans never intended. This is the alignment problem. Making sure AGI wants what we want. Right now, no one has fully solved it. And the labs building AGI know this. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of modern AI, resigned from Google to speak freely. He now estimates a 10 to 20% chance AI development leads to human extinction. That is not a fringe view. It is a mainstream estimate from the people who built the technology. Governments are scrambling. The EU AI Act is law. The US has issued executive orders on AI safety. China is racing to beat the West to AGI and is not slowing down. This is no longer a Silicon Valley story. It is a geopolitical arms race with civilization-level consequences. The question isn't whether AGI arrives. The question is whether humanity is ready when it does. That answer will define the next century of human history. We are living through the most important technological transition in history. Most people have no idea how fast it's happening. The next 18 months will tell us whether 2027 was the year everything changed. If you want to stay ahead of what's coming, subscribe to Aura Clips. We track the AI future every day so you are never left behind.